Rosemary did just that. One step ahead of the DLSU blockers. FEU has a great opportunity here. They are up 8-6 in this fifth and final deciding set. Thank you for joining us. This is the UAAP Women's Volleyball Tournament. Esperanza sets way left to Cha Cruz. Reyes. This is going to be a free ball for FEU. Giselle C. sets left to Rosemary.
And again, the defense of DLSU, knowing that the person to hit that ball will be most likely Vargas, sends the defense on that side. And they were right.
And LaSalle bravely blocking that hit by Rosemary Vargas. And that's a point. This time, May Rojas able to pound it off that block of DLSU.
What looked like the takeaway game for DLSU turned out to be a really close match between these two squads. Poor defense on the side of Lady Tams. No one to block that except for Giselle C.
I'm pretty sure a lot of people tweeted saying, wait, this game is not over yet. After FEU came back in the third set, because like you said, we thought it was going to be a takeaway game after the first two sets. FEU really showing a lot of heart here. Maraño. Morada with all her might, trying to muster and use up the remaining energy in her. Maika Morada. Whoa! Agnor really keeping things alive for FEU.
Right. The floor defense of FEU because of Agnor is just running so well.
Morada again. And what a rally. Maika still trying her best.
Morada succumbs to that error after being given about 4 or 5 attempts on offense.
And sometimes when your energy is not the same, you really just try your best. Ayaw mo na lang isipin yung pagod.
You just do, bank on your adrenaline rush. Again, floor defense of the Lady Tams.
And we have to credit that to May Abitan.
A new face on the side of FEU.
Oh, Maika Morada. And look at her. Look at her. She's just winded. But she's just doing whatever she can.
And these girls are just so very athletic, so competitive. You just appreciate it. Just like the crowd here at the arena appreciates each and every attack, every point.
Maika does not want to celebrate. She's going to celebrate if FEU gets this win, but right now she has given her team a 1-point advantage, but Galan ties this ball game up once again.
The very young Victonara Galang heads off play on that last one.
The young rookie, formerly from Angeles University Foundation High School. Now a member of the first 6 of De La Salle University, the champions of UAAP Volleyball. Agno. Oh!
Just a first second ball, so Rojas wasn't able to save that one. Now DLSU up by 1.
And this is LaSalle's first lead, Mosey, here in this fifth and deciding set. Let's see if the momentum has turned. Giselle C. Oh, Morada.
And the defense of LaSalle just waiting for that Morada hit.
And Morada could be losing steam here.
Dalawa lang yan. Dapat na yan eh. Miskarte. Sinabi naman sa'yo, ikaw na miskarte. Ha? Hindi, kapitan nyo lang.
Kapit, dalawa. Kapitan
Dalawa lang yan. Sige, kapitan mo lang.
Coach Ness really putting a lot of faith and trust in Giselle C. It's on her to make the right play here.
Correct. Well, you know, sometimes it's also, I mean, that's a good call for Coach Ness. You know why? Because once the players step inside the court, it's really their game. Kahit anong sabi mo sa timeout, whatever you've talked about, whatever the game plan is, once they step in, it's really just their game. So, ang maganda lang is you have to have a leader. But again, Giselle C opting to go to Morada.
And
Maybe
Morado
a
and
poor
Gumabaw.
decision on their part because the defense of the LSU is just swarming on that side of the net.
13. Serving 10.
3-point lead for De La Salle University. But this has been a scare for them, no matter the outcome. A joust at the top. Giselle C this time goes to Baniel, dug up well by Season. Giselle C, quick attack, does not work. Ball is still playable. Galang, oh!
Trying to go for a swipe. No go.
FEU is still alive. They have a chance.
Timeout. LaSalle.
And now,
Score.
Coach Ramil calls a timeout.
Tingnan na tayo ng maayos. Para hindi po pwedeng itulak ko na lang sa loob. Pagka ganun, ha? Naintindihan? Paluin palabas. Naintindihan? Kasi dito aabutin. Naintindihan? Ito. Kasi muna tayo. Pagkatapos, Abby. Dadalawa dito sa iyan hanggang Timano. Quick na mababa lang sa likod. Naintindihan? Oh, tingnan niyo yung nasa harap. Pagkatapos, pag nakita mo yun, lasin ang katawan, huwag ka magmadali. Pilitin mo, pitik mo. Relax. Kasi muna tayo.
In reality, it's just 2 points for the LSU. Just 2 good plays. And they have this game again in their pocket. But FEU, on the other hand,
FEU to tie this
they
fifth
really
set.
have to
May
pull
run.
out other tricks other than Moradas in this final set.
Oh, and Morada just unable to get there.
An off-field hit coming from Gumabaw. Perfect angle. Morada a bit late. Probably just too tired
The serve.
to run after that
Match
ball.
point.
We were already noticing the possible effect on the stamina of Morada since midway through the third set. And that will do it.
Marty Reyes with effortless push gets the set and gets this game.
And De La Salle University survives this gallant Far Eastern University Lady Tamarao charge.
What a game, Anton.
What
When we
a ball
thought it was
game
going
indeed.
to be a 3-setter for DLSU, it went full stretch, 5 sets, so exciting. A gallant effort from both teams.
And this is one of the reasons why, this game is one of the reasons why volleyball is such a fun sport to watch and cover. Our Sports House play of the game, get up to 60% off on select equipment at Sports House Red Carpet Deal.
Michelle Gumabaw, when they need her, when they need that spark, she has delivered even in the last point, that off speed to Morada.